Hi everyone, my name is Carissa Locke. Welcome to my narrated PowerPoint for my case project for cooperative consultation and special education with my friend JD, who is transitioning into adulthood and college life. Before I get into things, I want to make a disclosure that all individuals mentioned in this report were given pseudonyms to protect their identities. My primary goal was to help JD build her confidence as she transitions into adulthood. I focused on open communication and documented the process throughout. I aimed to create an environment of open communication while encouraging her to participate in various activities. Documenting our meetings and conversations allowed us to track progress and strengthen our relationship over the time that we had. This is how we communicated. We used phone calls, text message, and in person. Phone calls allowed for in-depth conversation about plans, while text served as quick check-ins to keep our communication flowing. However, our most impactful interactions took place during our vacation together, as we had about 9 days of in-person time. This allowed us more time to focus on the case study together. These were the 5 tasks that I chose to focus on during the case study. Number 1, driving. Number 2, schoolwork assist. Number 3, future discussion. Number 4, independent tasks. And number 5, meal prep management. I focused on these 5 tasks throughout our time together. First, I helped JD practice driving, easing her anxiety through supportive conversations. She has her license, but she is still building confidence on being able to drive alone. Secondly, I assisted her with her psychology work to strengthen her understanding of the material. We also planned our future discussions to ensure that she felt confident in her decisions. I also encouraged her to complete independent tasks, such as checking out at the grocery store alone or going to the grocery store alone in total, and guided her through meal prep management to promote healthier habits and easier management. During the time of the case study with JD, I kept a log of comments of what we did throughout each day, and that is what is on the screen now of the quotes. Our flexible communication, I believe, played a key role in being able to stay on top of the tasks that I had planned out. For instance, while driving, we talked about our upcoming vacation plans, which helped ease her anxiety. I consistently offered support, encouraging her to stay calm even in heavy traffic situations. During our study sessions, I assisted her in creating study guides that I had used for myself for her psychology exam, which boosted her confidence. We also explored her future together, which I then helped her outline steps for success, alleviating some of her worries for her classes in her upcoming semester. These interactions definitely strengthened our trusting bond together. For my charts and data, I created 2 bar graphs out of the logs that I use to keep track of everything that we did during our case study. I was able to document a total of 18 meetings with JD using 2 different charts. Chart 1 was the communication chart/log, and chart 2 was the task chart/log. After reviewing our communication methods, we mostly communicated in person. We had 4 phone calls, 5 text message sessions, and 9 days of in-person time to talk together and do our tasks. The 5 tasks were split up about evenly as I had planned that out beforehand. I was very glad to have time to work on each section a few times and be able to put different things into each one each time. This was great because this gave us the flexibility to try new things and be able to collaborate on this together. Now, for my post case study reflections, I would say reflecting back on the journey that I've had with JD during this time, I noticed significant professional growth in my communication skills and my ability to tailor my approach based off of a person's evolving needs. This project has deepened JD and I's friendship and highlighted the importance of patience, understanding, and encouraging support when someone is navigating through life transitions or just going through a hard time. I would say that the main things I was able to pull out of this case study was my growth in communication skills, the deepening of JD and I's friendship, and the importance of supportive relationships and having somebody who looks over not only you, but having somebody that you can look over as well. I want to thank you all for listening, and I look forward to reading your comments and responding to them. Thank you again.